Hello, formula enthusiasts. Welcome to our tutorial on troubleshooting formula errors. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to unravel the mysteries of formula errors and craft error-free formulas. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the intricacies of troubleshooting formula errors, let's outline our objectives. We'll explore the common causes of formula errors and learn how to troubleshoot those advanced formula fields. Our journey begins with syntax errors, the nemesis of even the most seasoned formula gurus. Let's explore the common syntax errors and how to tackle them head-on. One of the most common syntax errors is the missing or extra parenthesis. This error is especially common when nesting logical statements such as if, and or. Let's look at examples to understand how to identify and fix these issues. When it comes to field-related syntax errors, the advanced formula editor is our ally. Functions like case can be tricky, especially when dealing with the correct number of parameters. Misspelling function names can lead to the dreaded unknown function error. Mixing up data types can be a tricky pitfall. We'll explore an example involving date and date time to understand how to correct these errors. We'll explore techniques like replacing and with and others using helper formula fields to manage formula length. Let's optimize our formulas. Now let's talk about the constraints of formula length and compile size. Formulas are capped at 3,900 characters, and we need to work within this limit, but formulas can exceed the 5,000 byte limit. We'll explore how minimizing references to other formula fields can help us stay within the boundaries. And there you have it, formula troubleshooters, you're now equipped to tackle common formula errors like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.